Join me, Blind Man Travels, as I share my most insane experience riding from Houston to New Orleans. It all started with me having to catch the bus in the parking lot of a Shell gas station in downtown Houston. Nope, this is not the bus I was waiting for, but it did give me a little blind faith, as it were, that I was at the right location. Maybe I should go back and share my story from the beginning. Today we are in Houston, and we are getting everything all packed up and ready to go because we have to leave in a few hours here for our trip to New Orleans on the bus, as that is the next city in my 12 metros and 12-month challenge. So first I was in Los Angeles, and then I went to Albuquerque for a couple weeks, and I've been in Houston for 6 weeks. So now I'm getting ready to go on to New Orleans. So that is what we're doing today. So we're getting everything kind of packed up and ready to go there so that we can be ready to leave. We have to be out by 11 a.m. So right now it's a little bit after 9, so we kind of got the rushes on. Fortunately, I'm mostly packed up and ready to go. So I don't anticipate too much of a challenge as far as getting everything packed up, but you don't know. Now, the only other issue that I'm a bit worried about is that when I go wait for this bus, I'm actually not waiting at the bus station. I'm waiting outside of a Shell gas station in Houston. So I am a little bit concerned about being able to catch the bus because I'm not exactly sure where it's going to be. But that departure is not until about 1:15 in the afternoon. So I can only deal with what I can deal with as of right now. So we'll just go take it one step at a time here as we move on to get ready to pack up in the city of Houston and move on to New Orleans. So I took an Uber to the gas station and was sitting on the curb outside the convenience store waiting for the bus to arrive when I heard this guy asking about a cigarette and then talking about how he was the next Indiana Jones because he found some jewelry on the ground. Listen for yourself.
Anybody got a cigarette? Take a spare. You got jewelry in it. I just found this. I want to ask you, what you got this for? God damn. Every day I find jewelry. I don't steal shit, I find it. That's jewelry. That's some kind of jewelry. I find jewelry every day. I find jewelry. I just found that ring. I found an 18-karat diamond ring, an earring. I got $10 for it. I don't know about jewelry. That's why I was asking. I just found that.
By the way, if you like the channel and want to follow me in my 12 metropolitan cities and 12-month challenge across America, go ahead and press the subscribe button. Also press the bell button for notifications. It's free and it really does help the channel grow.
Yay, we didn't miss our bus!
There. I'm sorry?
The bus is here.
Which one is that?
This one's going to Austin.
Oh, that.
25.
Oh, that's not mine then. Thank you.
Okay.
So that gave me some blind faith that I was waiting at the right location. After that bus left, I went inside the convenience store and got myself some lunch items for the bus ride. When my bus arrived, I had to hurry up and get across the parking lot to get in line to board it. As I was in a hurry, I was unable to film the bus, so for lack of footage of that particular bus, I had to use the same footage from the bus before for B-roll purposes and storytelling. However, the bus I found myself lined up at was not painted with the same scheme. It looked like a generic long-distance bus. So again, not doing much for the old confidence. Fortunately for me, the driver confirmed my ticket and let me board, and I got to sit right behind him in the seat that I had purchased. This bus wasn't the most quiet with a few active children on board, but I did the best I could listening to an audiobook and settling in with a sandwich. It sure looks like we're getting closer to the swamps of Louisiana. Hey look, it's Pearl Harbor on the TV.
Welcome to New Orleans. This is the end of the line. This bus is now out of service. All passengers will go inside the terminal to make their transfers. Please collect all your belongings, including your trash, and take it with you off the bus. Thank you and welcome to New Orleans.
And with that, after about 7.5 hours, we arrived in New Orleans at about 8:20 p.m., right on time. More travels coming soon. To see the video where I visited the Apollo Era Historic Mission Control, click right there. To see the video where I found a restaurant owned by a blind chef, click right there. Again, I'm not sure where it's going to be because I am blind.